In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your products in Shopify with ease. The process is simple, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find managing your inventory a breeze. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. To begin, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. This should bring you to your store's dashboard where the magic happens. Think of this as your home base for everything related to your online store. Once you're on the main page, you'll see an option that says My Store, or simply takes you to your store's home screen. It's a welcoming page where you can get an overview of how your store is performing. Now let's focus on managing your products. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Products section. This is located on the left-hand side of your Shopify admin panel. Clicking on Products will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the items you currently have in your store. Here, you can manage, edit, and update your product listings. Once you're in the Products section, find the item that you want to work with. For today's tutorial, let's pick Example Shirt 2 as our focal point. Clicking on this product will open up a detailed view of its settings, descriptions, and more. Think of this page as the heart of your product information. It's here where you can work to ensure that each product detail is accurate and engaging for potential customers. Now, let's proceed to some details that are crucial for inventory management and smooth operations. In this step, locate the Barcode section while you're still viewing Example Shirt 2. Barcodes are essential for inventory tracking, especially if you're managing a large catalog of items. Shopify allows you to input or edit barcodes directly on this product page, facilitating seamless updates to your internal systems and point-of-sale solutions. After handling the barcode, you'll also want to look at the SKU or Stock Keeping Unit section. SKUs are critical for identifying individual products and variations within your inventory. Having a well-organized SKU system helps you track sales and manage your stock efficiently. Much like barcodes, SKUs can be added or edited by navigating to the product detail page and scrolling to the designated section. By following these steps, you can ensure that your product listings remain up to date, which in turn keeps your inventory management running smoothly. Regularly updating barcodes and SKUs helps streamline operations and reduces the risk of errors during the sales process. Remember, precise product management is pivotal in providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. That's all for today. By understanding and implementing these steps, you are on your way to becoming proficient in managing your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling!